G'day guys, back on the job. Wanted to talk about our cleaning products which have just hit the Australian market for soft washing and pressure cleaning. So you can see all those at bluetongueindustries.com.au, and I'll drop links below to direct you to these particular chemicals for your soft washing and pressure cleaning. But what we're going to use here today and demonstrate is HellFire, a heavy duty degreaser, probably one of the most potent on the market today, designed for the professional pressure washing, pressure cleaning industry. We're going to carry out some functional demonstrations here, and you can have a look at the oil capture from these bins coming at the back of a fish and chip shop and kebab shop. So we're going to target this oil residue which has seeped into the concrete here. We're going to pre-spray it, let it sit for sort of 10-15 minutes, and then we're going to surface clean this small little area here to show you how our HellFire works. Take a look around. We're using a cold water pressure cleaner, so nothing super elaborate. We're not even using hot water. Let's get in, let's clear these bins out of the way. Let's do a pre-spray and let's clean up this area. Take a look at how dirty it is. You can just see how thick the oil is here. Feeding the deep fryers. So that is all oil. We're going to HellFire it. So we can disperse this chemical with different applications. So we're just using a pump-up sprayer here today. But there's different, ask us about how you can spray your chemicals safely and in larger areas for commercial application. We'll let this sit for 10-15 and we'll pressure clean it off. Just finishing up. So you saw how thick the grease was. We could have probably measured the thickness. It was probably 5-10 mil in some areas. And that was tackled with HellFire from Blue Tongue Industries. We'll catch you on the next video.